So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import metric point shots from the machine into TBC and convert them over to US survey feet pretty quickly here. So the first thing I have here is my PNT file. So I'm going to rename this and I'm going to delete .pnt and put .txt. And I'm sure I want to change it. So I've changed that to a text file. The next thing I'm going to do is open up Excel. Blank workbook. Up here you'll see the data tab. I want to import from text. I'm going to select that text file on the desktop. Here I want it to be delimited. I'll hit next, and I want to make sure and select comma here, basically so everything comes through in its own column. I'll hit next, and then I'll hit finish. So now I have my northing, easting, elevation, and point name. I just want to rearrange this a little bit, so I'm going to put my point name in front. So I have point name, northing, easting, elevation. The rest of this I can get rid of. I don't really need it, so I'm just going to delete this. So then I'm going to save this, and I'm going to actually save this as on my desktop as a CSV. So once I have that saved, I can double check. If I open it up, point name, northing, easting, elevation in meters. So now what I'll do is I'll go into TBC. I'll open up a new project. And this project will be in metric because it's in meters currently. So I'll open that up as metric. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and drag in my new CSV I just created. And this window is going to pop up asking me what order I have them in. So we know we have it in point name, northing, easting. This is in easting, northing. So we'll just go down to point name, northing, easting, elevation, unknown. And I'm just going to hit import. Hit OK. And now I have, if you click on one of these points, right click, go to properties. Now I have my northing, easting, elevation in metric. So the first thing I'm going to do is change this over to US survey feet. So I'm going to go up here to project settings. I'm going to go to units, distance. I'm going to change this to US survey feet and hit OK. So now all of my points, if I go back to this point and right click, go to properties, you can see those numbers have changed to their actual US survey feet, northing, easting elevations. So it looks a lot better here. So now to get this out and use in other programs, I can hit export. I can go into a custom export in point name, northing, easting, elevation. I can select the points I want to export. In this case, I'd select all of them, name the file, choose where the file is going to be saved, and then hit export, and you'll have it in US survey feet as opposed to metric. If there's any questions or anything else, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me directly. Thank you.